Number 1.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,995, equipped with a 5.7L V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and has 136,000 original miles, making it a solid example of a well-kept classic pickup. It comes in a white exterior paired with a tan interior, reflecting its original factory color combination. It features power windows and power locks, adding convenience to its classic design. The truck is currently fitted with aftermarket Boss wheels, giving it a more updated look, and the seller can include the original factory wheels for a slightly lower overall price if the aftermarket set is not desired. Cosmetically, the hood, roof, and driver's side door show some paint fading and a few areas of chipping, which is typical for a truck of this era. The rest of the paint, however, remains in relatively good condition and still presents well. Recent updates include a new AC compressor to ensure reliable cooling, along with new headlights and taillights for improved clarity and appearance.
Number 2.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, comes with 116,000 original miles and is powered by a strong 5.7L 350 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, offering smooth and dependable performance. It is a 2WD truck that has recently received a brand new two-tone gray paint job, giving it a clean and refreshed appearance. The silver interior is in good condition and complements the exterior nicely. Equipped with power windows, power locks, and cruise control, the truck provides added convenience for daily driving. It also features an Alpine CD player for upgraded audio, sport wheels for a sharper look, a GM bedliner to protect the bed, and a cowl hood that adds a more aggressive styling touch. Importantly, the truck is completely rust-free, with a solid body and frame.
Number 3.
1990 Ford F250, price $8,250. It comes with an automatic transmission and a matching red exterior and red interior, powered by the dependable IDI diesel engine. The truck runs exceptionally strong and has been used as the owner's daily driver, proving its reliability on a regular basis. Over time, it has received several important updates, including a new water pump, power steering pump, starter, and various other fresh components that improve performance and ease of ownership. It also features a new paint job, giving it a clean and refreshed look, and the body is reported to have zero rust, which is increasingly rare for a truck of this age. While overall in solid condition, it does have a couple of minor needs. The passenger side window requires a new switch, and the rear fuel tank needs a functioning tank switch. Recently, a new glow plug kit was installed, helping the diesel engine start smoothly and enhancing cold weather reliability.
Number 4.
1978 Chevrolet C30, price $6,500. This truck has 62,000 miles and features an automatic transmission, finished in a red exterior with a matching red interior.
It is a two-wheel drive truck powered by an SBC 350 engine paired with a TH400 transmission.
The owner states that although they love the truck, they recently purchased another project, so this one is now for sale. The truck recently passed smog, is currently registered, and comes with a clean title. Over the past year, it has received extensive maintenance, including a carburetor rebuild, new brake hoses, new spark plugs and wires, an oil change, a new fuel pump, new door latches, and replacement of the rear wheel cylinder. The door lock and ignition cylinders were also newly installed.
Number 5.
1968 Ford F250, price $8,000. It comes with a 4-speed manual transmission and factory AC. The original 360 engine has been replaced with a 390, paired with long tube headers for improved performance. The truck has received significant mechanical and cosmetic attention. The front suspension has been refreshed with all new bushings, including axle pivot and radius arm bushings. Several components, such as the front axles, radius arms, backing plates, inner fenders, and radiator support, have been powder-coated black for durability and a clean finish. It also has a new master cylinder, along with newly installed front brake components including hoses, shoes, and wheel cylinders. A new fuel sender has been fitted as well, and a complete new weather strip kit is included. The truck runs and drives well and is currently registered. The door, hood, and tailgate are the remaining areas needing paint, but it can already be driven while the finishing touches are completed.
Number 6.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,995. It has 191,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a tan interior, it runs on gasoline and has been kept clean both inside and out. The truck features a rebuilt transmission with fewer than 500 miles, supported by paperwork for proof. It offers a flawless cloth interior along with power locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Additional conveniences include cruise control, tilt steering, and a rear sliding window.
It comes with a Bluetooth Sony CD player and a color-matched tonneau cover that adds both style and functionality.
The truck also has brand new tires and is equipped with a tow package, making it ready for work or daily use.
Number 7.
1986 Dodge D100, price $5,000. This truck has 89,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. It runs on gasoline and, for its age, is in solid overall condition. Though it does come with the expected quirks of a 40-year-old truck, the seller notes that it currently needs new tires, a new battery, and replacement windshield wipers, as the wipers have stopped working, likely due to a failed wiper motor, though this hasn't been fully inspected. Being a carbureted vehicle, it has also been suggested that the carburetor could use a proper tune-up, since the engine can run a bit rough when starting, idling, or driving at very low speeds. There are a few other minor quirks typical of an older truck, but most importantly, it does run.
Number 8.
1991 Dodge D250, price $6,800, powered by a 360 engine paired with an A518 overdrive transmission and a Dana 60 rear axle running 4.10 gears. The truck originally came fuel-injected, but after issues with the wiring and computer, it was professionally converted to a 500 CFM Holley carburetor paired with a Holley fuel pressure regulator. The conversion was done cleanly, and the truck now operates without a computer. It also features a new voltage regulator and an HEI ignition system, contributing to its strong and reliable performance. It is equipped with a Class 3 hitch along with full trailer wiring, making it an excellent towing vehicle. Additionally, it includes a fifth wheel plate and rails for heavier towing needs.
Number 9.
1986 Dodge D250, price $4,000. This truck shows approximately 89,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a silver exterior, and a red interior. Powered by the dependable 318 V8 in a two-wheel drive setup, the truck is described as solid throughout, with no rust and strong overall structure. Although it needs a bit of finishing work, it already has several important upgrades completed, including new tires, a new gas tank, a new alternator, and various other new components. The current owner explains that the only reason it's being sold is a lack of time to continue the remaining work, making it a promising project for someone who wants a clean and reliable foundation.
Number 10.
1971 Ford F100, price $5,500, presents itself as a well-maintained classic pickup, powered by a newly rebuilt 302 engine that has seen less than 100 miles since the work was completed. The fresh motor provides strong reliability and smooth performance, making it an appealing choice for anyone seeking a vintage truck with mechanical updates already completed. It is paired with an automatic C6 transmission, allowing for effortless shifting and relaxed driving both in town and on the highway. The truck is also equipped with power steering, which greatly improves maneuverability and adds to the overall comfort behind the wheel.